In the realm of late-night eating, the hormone leptin plays a crucial yet often overlooked role. Leptin, produced by fat cells, signals the brain to regulate energy balance and appetite. Recent research from Columbia University highlights that disrupted leptin levels at night can lead to increased hunger and late-night snacking. This imbalance in leptin, often caused by poor sleep or irregular eating patterns, may contribute more to weight gain than simply eating late. Experts suggest focusing on maintaining stable leptin levels through proper sleep hygiene and consistent meal timing to control those late-night cravings. Emphasizing hormonal balance might be key to debunking the myth that late-night eating is solely responsible for weight issues.